In this video you will learn how to withdraw from timewall or timewall live withdraw proof, or withdrawal from timewall or withdrawal proof. Before let's get started, please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video. My timewall account is open in front of you, and you can see that I have 1280 approved points in this account. If they are converted, they become 127 points, which means 13 cents. Dear friends, now I will show you the history of my withdrawal, so that friends who think that I show them the fake withdrawals, they came to know after seeing this history that I am talking to you perfectly. Look, how many withdrawals did I take on the freecash website? You can also check date by date, and you can also see that they are all approved. Now look here, there are 127 points that I am going to withdraw in front of you right now on the freecash website. You can also check my freecash.com account. This is my freecash website account. What is the balance in it? You can see that there are 0 coins in it right now. Now we go to our timewall website's account, and now I have clicked the withdraw button, where 127 coins are looking. Coins have started to decrease, and when all the coins are applied to the request, the account will be 0. Look here, the yellow request has been made. Now I will click on the refresh button and it will come with approved written these words in green color. Have you looked? It had happened as I said. Now visit my freecash website account. The balance that was 0 has now been replaced by 13 cents, which means that the withdrawal from the timewall has definitely been successful. So this was today's video. If you really feel that is nice video, then like and comment the video. Thanks for watching.